In the last video, we outlined the 8-step framework for storytelling with data. Today, we are diving deeper into the step 1, which is the discovery session. First, let me emphasize the importance of this step. This step lays the foundation for impactful data storytelling. The discovery session is your opportunity to ask the right questions and set a clear direction. Get this step right, and the rest of your analysis will fall into place. Now, here are the 5 key actions to guide your discovery session. First, let's start with understanding the business context. This is where you ask open ended questions to uncover the bigger picture. Begin with what and why. What? This helps you understand the high level requirements. What exactly is being asked of you? Why? This digs deeper into the purpose. Why is this analysis needed? What problem are we solving? In this step, you are aiming to see how your analysis fits into the organization's broader goals. By seeking clarity here, you ensure your work is not just focused but also aligned with the bigger business objectives. It sets the tone for impactful and relevant insights. After gaining the high level requirement, now it's time to dive deeper with the stakeholders to uncover their specific needs. Ask questions like: are they noticing any issues on the ground? What's their hypothesis or expectation from the analysis? What time period should the analysis cover? What are the timeline expectations around the analysis? These conversations ensure your analysis directly addresses their concerns and aligns with their timeline. It's all about being clear on what they need and when they need it. Next, define how detailed your analysis needs to be. Does it need to zoom in on specifics, or should it highlight high level trends? Is the focus on months, quarters, or yearly data? And what about segments? Do they want a data grouped by locations like US, India, and rest of the world? Getting this clarity upfront helps you avoid unnecessary complexity by delivering exactly what your stakeholders expect. Next is defining the end audience and deliverable format. This will help tailor your story to your audience's needs. So, are you presenting to executives, senior leaders, or peers? Do they prefer Excel files, PowerPoint decks, or detailed reports like white papers? Knowing the audience and the format they prefer ensures your message lands well and creates the most value. Finally, ask your stakeholders this crucial question: if this analysis confirms your hypothesis, what actions will you take? This helps focus the analysis on actionable insight. It ensures you prioritize the areas that will have the most impact. When stakeholders have a clear plan of action, you can give extra attention to the pieces that maximize influence and outcomes. So that's the 5-point checklist you can use for a successful discovery session with your stakeholders. Remember, this step is all about laying a solid foundation. By understanding the business context, stakeholder needs, and audience expectations, you set yourself up for a smooth process and an analysis that truly makes an impact. In the next video, we'll move to step 2, data collection, focusing on gathering the right data. Stay tuned and let's keep building your data storytelling skills. Thank you for watching.